Galataport is at the heart of Istanbul. This thriving and romantic neighborhood, located across from the old city, boasts a kilometer-long boardwalk connecting historical Karaköy to industrial Salipazari. It is a unique place with a rich history filled with new life and activity. Galataport includes a cluster of historic landmarks and contemporary icons, and it is linked to various transportation, namely the active cruise terminal located within the very site. Currently, the cruise terminal forces this waterfront experience to be inaccessible to the public. Our master plan lowers all port functions with an innovative and unique transformable boardwalk. The result is a fully open and pedestrian neighborhood. We extend the surrounding neighborhoods with small buildings that pixelate the site. Footprints are then lifted to become vegetated rooftops, offering breathtaking views of the water and finally reconnecting the city to the sea.